people know a lot about trucks.
Time for Meal Maker with me.
Today we will be making mini king cakes for Mardi Gras. So all you need is cinnamon rolls, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and some food coloring. So let's get right into it. So let's peel this paper. Why, that went wonderful. Yay! Okay, we got some cinnamon rolls. Let's get to business. So we're just gonna take these off and separate them. And this makes 7. So we're gonna take these and roll them like this, like hot doggy stuff. Get it thin, and then we are going to twist it. Once you have it like this, you're gonna twist it like this, and then pinch the ends together like this. So you have a twisty donut onion ring. Now we are just going to do it to all the rest. And preheat the oven to 375. Okay, so once you're... No, Jimmy, these aren't donuts and they're not for you. Oh, sorry. So once you're done, you just take them and you go put them on the nonstick pan. 3, 2, 1. Magic. When you are done and the oven is preheated, you come and put it in here. And you put the timer on for starting with 12 minutes. Now let's make our sugar. You're going to want to get out 3 cups of sugar and put a 1/4 cup in each. Now let's get out our food colorings. So we need purple, green, and yellow. So let's do that. For purple, let's do 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. That worked out well. I finally figured it out. You just need to do a lot of mixing and it still doesn't really look out perfectly, but it's okay. It looks like purple sand. Now we get to do the yellow and green. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's get out our nifty little mixer. There's green. Now we get to do yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks kind of red now, but we shall see the true colors. Voila. Very nice. We have yellow, green, and purple. Now I just need to wait for that to finish. Better. Let's get them out. Now you're going to take the frosting, whoopee whoopee, and we're going to ice it. So I will be right back. So now that our mini king cakes are frosted, we are going to take all of our sugar and we're going to start with yellow and get 1/3 on everywhere. So, let's do it. We have it. Not too well done, but we have sugar on a third everywhere of yellow. So now let's do green. There is green, and now, finally, purple. And here are the mini king cakes. Now, let's make it look fancy. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this masterpiece. It's so incredible. April Fools. Here is our almost final result. Now we just need to put some little Lego person underneath one of these. Alright, now, so we're going to take a little hot, cute little Jar Jar, and let's put him under this one. Cover it up. No suspicions. Whoever finds that one gets to be the king.
Mom, do we have any cinnamon rolls?